Hey sports fans, Ralph Luck here. Do not do this. I repeat, do not do this. In fact, I don't think I ever have done this. As a professional firefighter and fire inspector, fire instructor, certified in Arizona, this is about the dumbest thing I've ever done. And I'm doing it in flip-flops. I have tried all kinds of kindling, brush, paper towels, even a flare to get this going. And this wet wood, I mean, it's dead. I got it on the ground. It's dead, dead, dead. But it's been raining so much lately that it won't light. And I can't figure out how to get this to light, except to probably make a trail back to me to kill me. Wow, gasoline all over that hand. And why don't we see what a flare does this time. Besides explode. Woo! Pretty much like I said. Let's see if that might actually catch any of that wet wood on fire. I put a big base log on the bottom that appeared to me to be old and dried out, and it smoldered. And these other branches I found on the ground, months and months dead on the ground. But the problem is, when I sawed a few of them, and how about I speak English, Ralph? When I sawed a few of them in different parts to try to start my fire, they definitely had a green ring inside them. So that's issue number one. They could have been on the ground for 6, 8, 12 months, but they were green when they died. Or more likely, they've probably been on the ground a few months and they were green when they died. But number two, it's been raining, and so the bark on those are wet. So, got a little gasoline, which I've never done on a fire before. I've done, you know, lighter fluid on charcoal. But I've never had this much problem getting a fire going. Normally, when you get, like, I had boxes of stuff to burn, and those boxes were burning like crazy. All the kindling burned like crazy. All the little twigs burned like crazy. But then when it came down to any of these medium to large size logs or branches, they wouldn't burn at all. Just nothing. It went out. Tried a few times. I lit a flare once, right directly into the big log, under the kind of the apex middle of all the logs there. Didn't light up. And this time, trying gasoline with the flare on top of the big log, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted.